Okay, we're at Nürburgring in the F4, the Grand Prix track, but it's different, and it really caught me out, and you'll see as we get there that it's a little bit different.
Green flag, green flag.
So we're here earlier in the week. I can't remember what we were driving now. It might have, oh, I don't know what it was. Anyway, we were here early in the week, and I thought, well, I'll have another go, and jumped on the track to discover it's different.
You're on the left.
Okay, we've got a few little issues. So this is the first difference.
Go left.
We go here. It's like the Nordschleife combined, isn't it? But it isn't the Nordschleife, it is the Nürburgring. Let's just get round. See if we can keep up with people. I think we can. I had a bad qualifier. I didn't get the best out of the car. So I think we'll do a little bit better in the race.
There's an incident ahead. Go right.
Oh, I saw that coming. That was lucky.
Clear.
See if we can get on the back of this guy. So made up a couple of places.
Slow car ahead. Slow car ahead. Slow car ahead. There's an incident ahead. Car stop.
Oh, blimey.
Go right.
Blimey.
Car right.
What's all that about? Okay, we've made up a couple of more places, but we've dropped off the back of the pack here, unfortunately. And we're coming up to the next bit that's really different. I was getting all ready for a really fast chicane.
There's an incident ahead.
And you don't. You've got this really tight chicane. We've got past somebody else, so wait, 14th now. So yeah, a couple of big differences that really caught me out on my first lap. I completely missed the chicane because I just went around the fast one. So that was a bit of a mess.
9, 1, 6.
And the end of this straight, yeah, caught me out again. I'm not sure what the line is. It's really quite tight. We did it. Okay, where are we? 14th. I think the guy just ahead, not the one directly ahead, but the one ahead of him had a penalty, like a slowdown. So he's dropped back a little bit. So let's see if we can keep with Lennox and get on the back of Alex. Hopefully we'll have a cleaner run through here. Yeah, we're keeping with him, aren't we? Bit of a slipstream, that helps. It's only a short race, 15 minutes, so I've got a lot of time. Nobody behind us though, gosh, like a desert. I haven't quite got that corner right. Felt better in qualifying. I think we've got a bit more weight in with fuel, haven't we? Anyway, he made a mess of it as well, so we've kept with him. But yeah, this was the bit that really caught me out, I have to say, because I came flying in here thinking it's a really quick chicane, and it wasn't.
Go right.
Okay, somebody off. Oh yeah, it's like a slalom. Somebody else off.
Car on your left. Still there.
We're just going to get by, I think.
0.566. Still there. Hold your line.
Guess they're going to go up the inside, aren't they?
Clear.
I haven't got that bit right. Hopefully they're quick and we can follow them. That was Alex. That was the guy who was ahead, wasn't it? Okay. Maybe we'll get after Lennox then. Alex and Lennox, we're racing. Let's keep with them. Still in the slipstream, so that's good. 12th now. A lot of problems in this race, weren't there? Blimey. A lot of people went out. Not sure we can get top 10, but we'll see. Yeah, we're not getting that corner right, are we? Need to brake a bit more, I think.
10 minutes to go.
Yeah, I've dropped a load of time there. Keeping off those curves is important. We lost a load of time through that section. Okay. See if we can get back on them.
47.369.
So 46.5 is our best, but that's not good enough, really. Nearly lost it. Yeah, we're losing a bit of time here. We need to try and close up. Can we? I need my fan on. A couple more have had a problem.
Car stop on the left.
Then they come back on track in front of these guys, so that might help us. Yeah, they're going to battle it out. I must get this corner right this time. Well, I didn't, did I? Blimey. Even worse that time. Bloody hell. What am I doing? I've got people coming up behind now, so I need to be careful here. Halfway through the race. That's a bit better through there.
P1, just set the fastest lap. 44.391.
Yeah, definitely closing, aren't they? They're in a second now. These are people that have crashed, I guess. Damn.
47.886.
Need to get back to a decent lap time again. Yeah, just not got that right. Not catching anyone, are we? We're being caught. Can we keep away from them? Let's see if we can do this other corner a bit better this time. Really not got it, have we? A bit better. Tiny bit better. Just about keeping away from the guys behind. They do have the slipstream, so... Oh gosh, I'm slow through there by comparison to the guy behind. He really closed up there, didn't he?
46.
Gonna be honest.
5.52. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Is that the way to do it? Just go really slow on the apex? Not sure. Maybe. Looking up a little bit here. Well, just about keeping ahead of him, aren't we?
5 minutes to go.
If only I could get this next left-hander right. And if I need to go down 2 gears, maybe. Is that better? No, I don't think so. Better coming out, not going in. Maybe I'm trying to go around there too quick. And he was a lot quicker through here, wasn't he?
The leader is running 44.568.
Off track, great. That's what I didn't want. He's going to have to go, isn't he? He's going to make a move, I think.
46.439. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Here he goes.
Right side. Clear on the right. Car right.
All right, where did he go then?
Still there. Hold your line. Still
Okay.
there, hold your line.
What's he doing then?
Still there. Clear on the right.
I thought he got me well before then. 13th then. It'll be interesting to watch him through these corners, won't it? And I've got the speed here, though. Should I go back past? What do we think? This is not my best corner, is it? I want to see where he's quick into this next one. Well, nothing obvious, was there? Okay, let's go and see if we can do anything about him then. Keep away from these guys behind if we can.
Four.
We wasted a load of time through here, didn't we? Okay, that was better. That's better. Be nice to get away from the guys behind. I can just follow him. Yeah, it's working. He's quicker than them, and I'm just keeping with him. That was a lot quicker through that. One of you goes in slower and comes out quicker. Is that what's happening? Okay, well, only one lap to find out, so running out of time here.
46.151. New fastest lap for you. You got about 5 laps of fuel left.
Can we do anything? Going quicker, a little bit anyway. As long as I don't throw it off, I think we're okay from the guy behind. Nice run here. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to throw it up his inside, although we have got a bit of a run, haven't we? Okay, he's going to go to the inside. Yeah, slow in, quick out, I think, that one. Well, we're not going to get by, but it was a good race. Enjoyed it. Not a bad result. 13th after starting like 20th or so. Oh gosh, he's hit the wall. What's he doing? We'll keep out of his way, shall we? I don't want to get
Checkered flag, checkered flag.
I'll get taken out.
Okay.
Yeah, and he's broken his motor as well. Let's stop there. That was interesting. Shall we have a look at those incidents? Okay, so not a bad start then. We got away okay. Managed to make my way right to the back pretty early on. But let's see what's happening up ahead. So this is the lead group. Yeah, this is a really... I don't know the line here. I really can't quite see it. Oh gosh, nor can they, can they? I guess I was doing the right line. It's just not a nice, comfortable line, you can see. So I just got tapped there, didn't I, by the red car. Kept out of the way. We were right squeezed on the inside. And yeah, we made our way all the way to the back. Then what have we got? Just understeering, wasn't it? That was just... And then they just went all over the place. We were lucky to get through there. Yeah. Pick the right side, I think. There we go. Now, what have we got? Again, this is near the front. Never quite got this corner right either. So, yeah, we... Oh, dear, oh, dear. Yeah, unlucky. We were, again, lucky to get through. Lucky to get through. Pick the right side. It's like a slalom. Oh, dear. Now, what have we got? Yeah, and this chicane. Yeah, I never really felt that comfortable there either. It's very different. It really changes the track, those two differences in corners. Oh, hit the curb. It's going to go off. Yeah, off you go. Hard luck. Tap the leaders and then... Oh, I should have just sat there. Yeah. Ruined it for somebody else. Silly. What's this then? Just out braking himself. Oh, just lost the rear end. And someone went into him. That's unlucky. Oh, yeah, he nearly had a lovely line there, didn't he, that guy? This is going to be, what, a dive up the... Oh, he just hit his... Just... Lack of spatial awareness. Here we go, then. So that was top split out of 4. Tiny bit of safety rating and a tiny bit of I rating. I can't complain. It was double green, so that's all I can ask for. 44.3 was the best time. 44.7, 44.9. So 44 is where the pace was at. I managed a 46.1. So less than 2 seconds away. So I'm quite pleased with that. I know I had a slipstream, but I'm quite pleased with that compared to who I was in terms of qualifying. I was 47. What was I? 47.3 or something like that. But anyway, so started 19th, finished 13th. Yeah, happy with that. Good race. Enjoyed that. Not sure I like the track. I prefer the fast chicane to the slow one. I prefer the other extra little bit of squiggly stuff after the turn 1 as well. So, yeah, not my favourite version of the track. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.